Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log into a Genshin Impact account using a mobile device. So you have a Genshin Impact account, you want to log into that account using a mobile device but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till and I'll show you some simple steps in order to log into a Genshin Impact account using a mobile device in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to log into a Genshin Impact account using a mobile device is open a browser and go to genshin.mihoyo.com. Once you go to genshin.mihoyo.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here on the top right corner, you'll see an option labeled as official site, so tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, you'll be redirected to the official site of Genshin Impact. Now here, in order to log into your Genshin Impact account, what you need to do is tap on the three bars on the top right corner. Then here on the bottom, you'll have the option labeled as login, so tap on that option. Then once you tap on that option, you'll be redirected to a new page and you'll see an interface like this, and this is the sign in interface of your MiHoYo or your Genshin Impact account. So now here what you'll need to do is enter the username or email address of the account that you want to log into, then enter the password of that account, or you can use a Google account, Apple ID, Facebook account or Twitter account in order to log into your MiHoYo or Genshin Impact account. You can use them as one of the accounts, but now in order to log into your independent account, enter your credentials. Once you enter your email address, enter the password of that account. Once you enter the email address and the password of that account, tap on the login button. Once you tap on the login button, you'll need to solve this puzzle in order to verify yourself, so go ahead and solve this puzzle. Once you solve the puzzle, you'll successfully log into a Genshin Impact account, as you can see here. So those are the simple steps in order to log into a Genshin Impact account using a mobile device. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.